Hi friends, this is Excel Guru Rajnikant, and here I'm going to share a one challenge, Excel challenge given by not given. I think my friend has given this query long back, not 1 or 2 days. It's a long back, nearly 1 2 months. Okay, now I will show you the solution. So now I'm sharing the screen right now. Here is the screen. Okay. Actually, the query is like this. I created this query like this. Okay. You have to do like this. A, B, C, D, E, H, I, J, K. It has to come like this. Okay, I created. By yesterday, I created this query. Now, my friend asked this query. So I'm going to show you the solution. Okay. Now, what you want actually, see, observe guys, every character. I mean, the length of three characters should extract only the three characters like A, B, C, D, E, F. So A, B, C. First of all, what we need? We need 1, 4, 7, like that. Okay, like this. I'll show you. 1, 4, 7, again 10. Okay, it has to increment by 3. Okay, now I will show you how to do this one. First of all, rows of the active cell is E47. So I'm locking E$47 colon E47. Okay, you will get like this. Right. So we need here should add 3. And again, this plus 3. Understood? 1, 4, 7, 10 like this. Okay, so what I'll do now, minus of 1. Let's check it out. So it will come like this. Okay. No issues. We will make it proper. Okay. Now, what you need, have to step by step, I'm showing. Okay. We need every three should increase. I mean to say that 1, 3, 4, 7, 10 like this. So I'm adding 3 here. Okay. Now, what I'll do here, just the logic that plus 1. Done. Now I will show you here mid of this F4, comma. The starting number, when the cell is here, it will take 1. When the this starting number will come to another, then it will come to 4, later 7, later 10. How many characters do you need from there? 3 characters. Counters. It's not an array function, it's a normal function. Okay, I'll explain you. What we'll do here, okay, here it will start from 1, number of characters, F9. So it will start from 1 and it will pick up 3 characters. That 1, 2, 3. Okay. When it goes to here, what will happen? It will start from 4, F9. It will start from 4 and it will pick up 3 characters. We need 3 characters, so it will pick up 3 characters. D, E, F. Understood what I mean to say? When it comes to here, it starts from 7 and it will pick up 3 characters. 7, we'll count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. G is the 7th character. So it will pick up from here and it will start from here and it will pick up 3 characters. That is G, H, I. Understood? And as early as possible. I will show you how to solve this. Okay. Thank you guys. Thanks for your support. Uh, Please like, share, and subscribe my channel.